What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And today what I got going on here is I'm checking out these Boldclash Comet V1 omnidirectional FPV antennas. Well, I got two of them on my Aomway Commander goggles, and it comes in a box like this. You can either buy just one at a time, or you can buy the two sets for your diversity receiver type goggles, or you can just use one for your single antenna units and put the other one on your drone as well. But today I'm going to check it out with both of them on my Aomway Commander V1 goggles. These are pretty decent goggles. I really like these, and we're going to check out the distance of the Comet V1 omnidirectional antennas. I'm going to pin it up against my Headplay SE goggles with the mushroom antenna, and we're going to see it with the eyes of the Bugs3. I got the AKK KCO2 600 milliwatt VTX camera combo already modded onto my Bugs3, and today I'm also checking out these batteries. These are like replacement batteries that I got from GearBest, 2300 milliamp size, 7.4 volt replacement batteries for the MJX Bugs3. So I got one of those already installed on my Bugs, and of course I have the antenna mod on my MJX Bugs3 remote control with the 2-cell battery powering up the 2-watt booster. So let's go and check it out. Okay, I got it all ready to go. We are going to check it out. I'm going to be wearing the Aomway Commander V1 goggles, and I'll be standing right here. And I got the Headplay SE goggles on the table. That's going to be recording on its DVR. Aomway Commander goggles will be recording on its DVR. And we got the MJX Bugs3 ready to go. And here's my transmitter. All right, so I'm going to place the camera right on the table so we can see the MJX Bugs3 take off. Plugging it in. Right, binding. Let's see if it's arming. Nice. All right. Let's get the right channels on the DVR or the Headplay goggles. All right, pressing record. And the Headplay goggles are recording. And let's get the frequency on the Commander V1s. All right, and the Commander V1 goggles are recording as well. Speed number 2. All right, arming. Let's go. I'm gonna go straight all the way and see if I can get some static going on. I'm gonna go up in altitude a little bit so we get a little bit better range here. And the Commander V1 goggles with the Comet antennas are doing fine at the moment. Everything is clear. All right, approaching the grassy area of the park. The MJX Bugs3 with the antenna mod can go about 500 to 600 meters. And I'm starting to see a little bit of lines and a little bit of snow. Oh wow, yeah, I'm starting to see a little bit more snow. Nothing from the MJX Bugs yet. No beeping going on. Now that is pretty awesome. I don't want to lose the MJX Bugs3. Oh, I heard a beep, so I'm going to backtrack a little bit. Never turn around once you hear the beep on the MJX, because when you turn around, the signal can get lost. All right, so I'm going to head back. So hopefully the Headplay SE goggles fared pretty well, just like the Commander V1s. I've been using the Headplay SE goggles, and it does have distance as well. But this Aomways are doing pretty nice. Let me scoot over to this side. Now, there's a little bit of static lines on the Commanders. And so far, these replacement batteries are doing not bad as well. Head on over to the hills over here with the rocks. Okay, where am I? I am right there. The tree is in the way, and now just about the building is kind of blocking the transmission as well. So we should see a little bit more static right around here. But I'm still able to fly with the commanders. Just a little static and some lines. Okay, let's go on over to the opposite side, and I'm on the opposite side of that building. Okay, let's go on all the way to the dirt field area. And yeah, image got clearer because now I'm kind of in line with the Bugs3 now. And these commanders are not bad with these Comet antennas. Okay, going to the right side now. Almost getting to the freeway here. Oh, the highway, that is. Wow. Yeah, I'm pretty far away, guys. Nice. Okay, starting to get a beep. Okay, I'm heading back. Okay. Starting to get more beeps. And it went away. Okay, let's head on back. And there I am. I think we still got battery life on this replacement MJX batteries. So I'm just going to fly around right in the front here. Yeah, I got some static lines appearing and no snow yet, but lots of static lines right here. Okay. This MJX Bugs3 is just awesome with all of these mods put together. Nice cruiser now. And I love flying it. It's got the distance now, and it is so smooth. I'm still flying it with the original props that it came with the MJX Bugs3. Of course, I kind of destroyed a few of them. So this is kind of like the second set that came with the package. And they're not perfect props, so sometimes it does give me a little jello here and there, but all in all, it is still a very good flyer, even with slightly bent props. Okay, we're getting pretty decent flight time with these replacement batteries. I'm going to go directly behind the building, and let's see if we get static and snow. No loss of connection or nothing like that from the Bugs remote here, even though I'm right behind the building. Motocross playground right here. And big rock. Yep, go behind the rock and you lose transmission on some of those D8 receivers. Yeah, happened to me before. Alright, I want to make a final round right around these horse tracks here, and there's somebody cleaning up the yard. Not the yard, but the grounds. They're here every day cleaning up this park. I gotta give it up to them. This park is maintained meticulously, which is just so awesome. There's no trash. They pick it up every day, so my hats go off to them. And thank you very much for keeping the park very useful. All right, that is some lengthy flight time, I believe. We still got flight time, and I'm also testing out these batteries at the same time that I'm testing out these Comet V1 omnidirectional antennas, and it is doing fine. It's fantastic. I love these Commander V1 goggles. Very comfortable. Oh, okay. I'm starting to get a longer beep now. Yeah, that is the battery life beep. So I'm gonna head back. Decent amount of flight time. And the AKK KCO2, as you recall, is a 600 milliwatt unit. Okay, I'm going to bring it in right around here. Okay, give it a landing right here. Should be good. And kill the motors. Alright, that is our flight with the MJX Bugs3 with the antenna mod and the FPV mod, and testing out these new 2300 milliamp batteries, and also the Comet V1 omnidirectional antennas.
By bit, creative imagination began with a new art form.